Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Crystal Reports contains 3 functions which evaluate the status of the alerts within a report. These functions all return a true value or false value, meaning a Boolean value that is used for evaluating the status of alerts. You can use these functions to determine whether or not an alert has been activated. You can use the isAlertEnabled function to determine if the enabled checkbox is checked for a named alert. You can use the isAlertTriggered function to determine if an alert has been triggered. You can use the alertMessage function to return the message or the formula that was typed into the message text box within the Create Alert dialog box for a named alert.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.